about ultrasonic alarm. Goal. My goal was to make an alarm system using ultrasonic sensor and LEDs. Design. I wanted to make the alarm system that has LEDs and sound. Build. I used breadboard, LEDs, resistors, ultrasonic sensor, wires, buzzer, and Raspberry Pi. Program. Naturally, my code is buzzer and something but drive didn't show us their code, so I used this code. Test. I tested my program for 3 or more times. Rethink. My trouble was the error in my code. Save.
So can you kind of explain what's happening? Or what's supposed to happen? Maybe press F5. There you go. Make sure there's no cables in front of it. I think one of the cables came loose, Jamie. Check your wiring.
If it's more than 25, it's buzzing, and if more than, it's making a light.
Can you show the not buzzing?
What?
Can you show the not buzzing? There you go. Okay. Does anyone have any questions for Jamie? Okay. What was the hardest part about this project?
Making a code.
Making the code?
Yeah.
Was there anything that you enjoyed?
Maybe not.
Nothing? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything new that you learned? Or any component, a new component that you learned in this project? Which one?
I learned that buzzer making a loud sound.
Okay. Does anyone else have any other questions? Me? What's up? No? Okay. I'll give Jamie a round of applause.